Introducing the Daikin Mobile Controller app, allowing you to remotely and smartly control your Daikin air conditioner from anywhere at any time. It is currently compatible with these 4 Daikin R32 inverter wall-mounted air conditioning units. Today, we're going to guide you on how to easily install the adapter for your Daikin Mobile Controller. Firstly, prepare these items to ensure a smooth installation process. The accessories included inside the box of the adapter would look like this. To start, open the front panel of the indoor unit and remove the mounting screws of the front cover. Unscrew the service cover. There are 2 different connecting methods for the wiring connection. For FTKH or FTKU units, simply just connect one end of the wire harness to the S21 port on the main PCB. For FTKM or FTKQ units, attach the 3 spaces of the PCB onto the main PCB of the indoor unit. Proceed to attach the connector of the PCB to the S403 port on the main PCB of the indoor unit. After that, connect one end of the wire harness to the S21 port on the PCB. Once done, neatly tidy and fasten the wire with a cable tie, followed by storing the wire at the inside compartment of the indoor unit. Finish it up by reassembling the indoor unit to its original state. Next up, equipping the adapter of the Daikin Mobile Controller. Open up the adapter and connect the other end of the wire harness connector to the notch on the adapter. Close and secure the case. In terms of installation location, there are 2 alternative ways. You can either mark the adapter holder on a fixed location to be drilled in place, or place the adapter within the special compartment allocated above or beside the power supply terminal, making sure that the buttons face upwards. To start off, search and download the Daikin Mobile Controller app on your mobile device. Launch the app and agree to the terms of use, which will lead you to an out-of-home login screen. Leave the app. Open the Wi-Fi settings on your mobile device and connect it to the adapter's network that will be visible in your device. Select the network and enter the password stated on the adapter. Once connected, return to the Daikin Mobile Controller app again. Make sure the adapter is visible on the home screen of the app. Click on the Configure Wireless Network tab above the unit and connect it to your home's Wi-Fi network. When the run LED remains lighted, the connection to your home Wi-Fi is successful. In the app, select the adapter and click on the Settings button on the right-hand corner. Select Out of Home and enable the Out of Home functionality. Enter a login ID and password to create your very own Daikin Out of Home account. Once created, go back to the menu bar and log in the details of the account that you've just created. You can now enjoy the convenience of controlling your Daikin air conditioner anytime, anywhere.